Welcome back to the tutorial series on using the Naoca platform. Today we're going to look at uploading a recording. This might be useful if you're doing a service from a location that doesn't have good internet. So you can record the service on a camera or on your phone, whatever device you're using, and upload it afterwards. You can also upload the tribute slideshow, for example. And that will add it to the playlist alongside the live stream and allow people to watch it in isolation in their own time. So for this example, let's assume we already have a client. And we'll go to recordings. We'll click add, give it a title. We'll click browse and select the recording. And remember to click save. So it's just processing the video now, and we'll see in a few seconds that will turn to a green tick. That means it's ready to be watched. Now that recording was only 3 seconds long, so please keep in mind it will take a little bit longer for a full length recording to be processed. But once it is ready, we can go to our test client, and then we'll see it in the playlist. Here we go, burial service. Right, thank you for watching this tutorial video. As always, if you do have any questions, please do get in touch because we are always more than happy to help out.